It is time for another property tour with your host, Alex Maloney, aka America's Realtor. And today we are in Prosper, Texas, at Lakes at Legacy. And I can't wait to show y'all this one. And let's get in. We are in. We are so in, guys. Look at this. Holy smokes, floating staircase. Soaring ceilings. That is a beautiful sight right there. And we got a little dining area, living area, and an office. Very nice. Glass front door with a foyer soaring ceiling entryway. Look at that, y'all. This is what Grand Homes is known for. These windows, these crazy nice windows, crazy nice fireplaces, all this natural lighting, and an open concept kitchen area. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to this channel so we can inform others about the awesome Texas real estate market. Would mean a lot to you, boy. And look at that. That is a beautiful sight. Can't get over that. And these lighting on the floor, this lighting on the floor, that makes a huge difference, those floor lightings. And it's relatively cheap to do as well. But guys, this is an awesome community. Very close to 380. It's kind of like South Prosper area by Windsong Ranch and Star Trail, if you guys know where that is. And looks like we got just the mother-in-law suite downstairs, but obviously it's an office right now, but that's an in-law suite or someone else's, like a child's bedroom or something like that. And that fireplace. Usually it's not going, but it's 12 degrees outside, so feels pretty good to have that on. And we got the master bedroom, double-sided fireplace, everybody's favorite. Look at that. You can see right in there. And we have the tub, freestanding tub or garden tub, modern lighting, double vanities. Look at that, other side of the fireplace. There's the other vanity and stand-up shower. Pebble flooring. Very nice. And we got a walk-in closet, which is also very nice, spacious walk-in closet. And let's go back to the main part of the home. There's a door out there too. That's not too common, but that's an upgrade. Look at that. When you're walking out of the master bedroom, you have that sight. And when you're chasing those rotten kids up the stairs, you'll have a nice view while you're going up because the stairs are so nice. And we got a game room. Bedroom right there to the left with the full bath. I'll show you that in a second. With the media room. Everybody's favorite. Love that. Game room, media room combo. And this floor plan, y'all, here's the bathroom. Let me show you the other bedroom that's attached to it. This floor plan is starting at $1,709,900. It's called the Great Whitehall floor plan. A lot of people love this. This brings a lot of people to Texas, this exact floor plan. As you can see, it's just stunning. It's beautiful. And this floor plan ranges about 2,300 square feet, I would say, to about 4,000, maybe a little bit more, depending on how big you want the house. And we're just strolling along here. There's a bedroom, full bath, modern lighting fixtures. But you can go both ways, it looks like. Very cool. Another site. And another bedroom. Love that. There we go. And this is Prosper ISD, y'all, for you guys wondering. Shout out to those young scholars out there studying to become doctors, nurses. Shout out to y'all. And this is what it would look like if you're coming down those stairs, guys. This is great. Yeah. This is the one, honestly. This is just, you can't beat this floor plan. It's so great. So let's take a step outside in a sec, but give me a sec, hold on. I want to make sure y'all really soak this in because it's so nice. And let's head out. Covered patio with the pool. The pool does not come with these houses, guys, but they always put a pool in just so you can kind of visualize, you know, what a pool would look like. But it's a pretty big backyard. Way enough space for a pool and activities, grass for the dog or even cat. But that is it. Thank you for tuning in to today's property tour in Prosper, Texas, brought to you by America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and we will see you guys on the next one. God bless America.